Welcome to LNP Renewable System Limited. Today we are going to discuss about the MEP Basics Part 7. If you have missed Part 1 to 6, please subscribe to our channel. In our channel, we had created a playlist MEP Basics Part 1 to 12 English, so that whatever thing that you have missed, you can look into it. Okay. So in our discussions, we might be using so many symbols, acronyms, short forms. So if you have any sort of doubt when listening to the video, kindly please refer to this part so that whatever doubt that you have, you can clarify yourself. And most importantly, what are the things that we are going to discuss in this part today? What are the guidelines to minimize the regenerated noise in the elbows? Okay, and what are the guidelines to minimize the regenerated noise during the takeoff and also during the duct tease? Okay, and also we are going to learn what are the guidelines to minimize the regenerated noise in the transitions and offsets. So as you can see here, okay, in the elbow, if you want to reduce the noise, try avoiding the direct squares. Okay, direct square bends. Instead of that, you can have a long radius type, or you can have a long trailing edge vanes or short vanes, so that you can have a better performance. If you want a quietest operation, try to have a half D bend long radius type, so you will have a quietest operations. So always try to use these elbows. Okay, it will have a quietest operation. If you want a better performance, you can use this. Please don't use this one, it will create a noise. Okay, and when we get into the takeoffs, so as you can see here, if you have a direct tease like this, okay, it will be very much noisiest. Okay, instead what you can have, okay, you can have a diagonal, okay, or L bend or a bend T, so that you can have a better performance also. Or else what you can do, you can increase the dia. Okay, you can have a bend over there, and you can try to have a biggest dia, so that in the T, okay, have a half D bend, so that you can have a better performance. Or else if you want a quietest one, always try to have these sort of elbows, so that you will have a quietest operations. If you're going for a duct tease, okay, if you're going for a direct tease, there will be direct flow of airflow, it will be noisiest one. Instead of that, if you have a two square elbows back to back, it will have a better performance. Or else if you have a dual radius split, then you will have a best performance. Okay, and when we are going for a transition on offsets, okay, if you go for direct squares like this, okay, it will create much noises. Okay, and most importantly, when you expand immediately, it will also create a noise. Or if you are expanding at the top alone also, it will also create noise. So in order to avoid this, what you can do, okay, you can have a diagonal bends, or gradually you can open it and you can increase it. Okay, so if you're increasing the duct radius for the better performance, you want to reduce the transition and offset noises better, okay, diagonally gradually increase it, then go for it. So this is how you need to increase. For the quietest operation, either you can have a 15 degree maximum, or you can go for 7.5 degree diagonal, then take a diagonal, okay, 15 degree maximum, then have your transition offsets like this. With the help, if you try to create the transition offsets with these angles 15 degree or 7.5 degrees, you will have a quietest operations. Thank you so much. Please subscribe and press the bell icon. If you want to know more and learn more, you can contact us. We have provided the contact details here. We, LNP Renewable System Integrator, we are providing PLC programming training for Siemens, Allen Bradley and Delta PLCs. And most importantly, if you are a plan to work in GCC countries like Qatar, Oman, Saudi, especially in building management system, building automation control system, then you can contact us. We have provided the contact details here. And if you want to establish a solar DC lighting system in a place where EB power is not available, then you can go for, you can contact us. And most importantly, you might have an agriculture farm. If you want to protect your crops from the wild animals, instead of going for normal fencing, you can use solar electrical fences. We are providing solar fencing as a kit also. We are also providing solar on-grid, off-grid, hybrid application, solar street lead, solar pump services, design, installation, testing, commissioning, consultancy, training supports also. If you want to learn the access control system basics, electrical vehicle technology basics, mechanical, electrical and plumbing related basics, okay, along with the course certificate, we can able to train you. So we have provided the contacts here. We are providing trainings for professionals who are already in this industry, they want some certificates. And also we are providing students, especially from EEE, electrical and electronic engineering, electronic instrumentation engineering, MEP trainings we are providing for the mechanical peoples also. If you are really interested, you can contact us. We put the contact details here. Thank you so much.